Hi, my name is Craig Condon, and I am the main developer working on Clove. In our previous tutorial, I showed you how to create an installer for your plugin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create preferences for your plugin. So the first thing we're going to need to do is edit our Clove Hello plugin class. We're going to create a new method called test hello, and this is going to replace our alert we're actually calling inside initialized. So we're just going to cut this out. We're going to do this.testHello, and then we're going to paste this in there. And the reason why we're going to do this will be apparent in just a second. So the next thing we're going to need to do is create a preference view. So we're going to go to Preferences, and we're going to go new MXML component. We're going to go Clove Hello Plugin Preference View. Then the next thing we're going to need to do is actually implement a class. So we're going to call implements, and then we're going to call com.spice.clove.plugin.press.iClove plugin preferences. So then it's going to ask for a few things. It's going to say, alright, we need it to set the plugins, and it's going to be an array list. Okay, so once we have that set up, we actually need to provide another one. Set plugins. So now we're all set. The reason why we actually provide data collection of plugins is because you may have the ability to install the same plugin multiple times. Twitter, for example, enables you to actually use multiple accounts, so it needs the ability to handle multiple plugins, and there's only one preference view per each plugin. So and that's why it's provided in the factory. So then we go back to here, and we actually we'll simply do this. We're going to go Clove plugin, and we'll do this. Since there can only be one for now, we're only going to handle one. So then the next thing we're going to do is we need to provide our form. And it's going to be exactly like our installer, so we're going to give it a label of name, and we're going to have it a text input. We're going to give it an ID of username. We're going to say the text is Clove Hello Plugin dot settings dot username. Now on change, it's going to be Clove Hello dot plugin dot settings dot username equals username dot text. So we're done with that. Now to test to make sure that this actually works, we're going to want to provide a button. So we're going to do label. So we're going to create a button, another form item. We're going to do label equals test hello, and on click we're going to go Clove Hello plugin dot setting dot test hello. So we call that method now. Just to make sure this works, we're going to add a breakpoint to this. Alright, so then the next thing we're going to need to do is actually specify this within our factory. So then we need to do preference view class Clove Hello plugin preference view. So now we're all set. Now we can test our preference view to make sure it works. So we're going to debug it. So we see hello Craig. We go to our preferences, and then we successfully assigned our Clove Hello plugin. However, it needs to be a plugin controller. So then we go .plugin. So this is actually the array list is actually their plugin controller. So we actually need to call .plugin. So we go plugin controller .plugin. So then we'll give this a shot. Hello Crick. We go to plugins, and we see your name in here, and we'll go John. Test hello. Hello John. So then we'll try closing the application now and reopening it, and we should see hello John. Hello John. And that's how you create preferences for your Clove plugin. Thanks for watching. Next time I'm going to be talking about how to register columns so you can start adding new feeds in these preference items. So thanks for watching.